Trading bounce plays are super hard mainly because it is a counter trend strategy. Counter trend meaning you are going against the general direction of the market. Dito is a stock that I'm looking at mostly because it has dropped by a significant amount after the breakdown. As a number one, those who drop the strongest rebound the fastest. Since Ditto dropped by 28% in only 6 candles, I have already been eyeing to bounce this around 480 to 5 peso levels. Lesson number 2, wait for the confirmation before you buy the bounce. On my advanced bounce play tactics, I have a buy trigger and confirmation on the intraday candle around the 510 area. But since I was super busy during that day, I decided to execute my trades on the first bullish engulfing candle near the close of the day. Had I only been free, I would have entered on my first trigger and buy confirmation. So I bought 100,000 shares at 554 when it broke out of the previous day's high. Lesson number 3, set stops accordingly and don't micro the bounce play. Whenever I do bounce plays, I set my stop loss order on the low of the bounce candle and I forget the trade. This is because if the stock is really strong, it should not retest the low of the candle, most especially when it is on the second day of the bounce. Lesson number 4, hold on to your stock as long as the idea is still there. Since you are trading the bounce, you are expecting it to break its previous levels of resistances on the second candle. Again, as much as possible, you don't want to sell early only because you see it turning red. As long as your cut loss level is still there, don't look at the trade. Lesson number 5, sell when your target is hit. Since my target here is around 630, I decided to sell my shares on the open of the next trading day. Unfortunately, I was on work and have too many things to do during that morning, so I took profit at an average of 612 per share. In total, I made 50,888.30 on the Ditto trade. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.